fufu and palm nut soup. This is some people's favorite dish. Alright guys, so I'm making palm nut soup. I use 4 cans. I've already strained about 3 cans already. The process is really time consuming, so I did 3 already, but I left one last one that I want to use to show you guys what the process is for it to get to this pot. Because there are some elements in there that I might not want in it. Sometimes it has a bit of a sand, you know. So this is 3 cans in here, strained already. Now, I'm going to show you guys the last one. And you use any brand you like, but I always go for the Liberian Fresh and Ghana Fresh. Is more creamy and, you know, a bit oily, more thick. So here we go, guys. So now this is very time consuming, like I told you earlier. That's why I use the 3 cans to do it off camera. I'm showing you guys this just so you see how it's really done. So you see, now this is the process of straining it. This is my strainer. I have my pot in here. I'm just gonna basically repeat the steps about sometimes 6 times. I'm gonna repeat my step again. Look, see all those little black particles? I don't even know what that is, but I do not want it in my palm nut soup. So now it's gonna go in here along with the rest. Wow. Believe me, this is gonna be magical when it's completed. Right now, it just looks like red oil sleeping. Alright guys, so these are the ingredients for the palm nut soup. Here I have my African pepper. It's known as Guinea pepper in some countries. It's also known as Guinean pepper in some countries. It has an aroma to it that I want in the palm nut soup. So I'm not gonna blend it or anything. It's just gonna go in the palm nut soup when it starts boiling. I'm just gonna put the meat in the pot and have it cook. It's already seasoned. I plan to show you guys the season that I use for the meat later. My pepper in there. Sprinkle some onions. Alright guys, so this is the seasoning that I had it. I seasoned the meat and it slept in the seasoning in the fridge. But you still have to season it before it goes on the fire to cook. Alright guys, the water has come to a boil and it has reduced a great amount. So I'm just going to take this off the fire and put it in a pan and let it cool off. Pour it in here. And let it to cool off. Alright, I'm just gonna cut this up pieces. My bell pepper and my onions. I'm gonna blend this. Along with the eggplant, we're gonna add those 3 ingredients up and let it cook. Alright, so this is the palm nut. Water in it from, you know, straining it to remove the sand and any other particles that I didn't want. So to reduce this water, I'm going to let it cook, or should I say boil, for about 45 minutes or so. But before I do that, I put my blended bell pepper, onions, and tomatoes in there. It's gonna cook with it. And I also put my eggplant that I showed you guys earlier. It goes in there as well. can see, the eggplant is all getting softer and the water has reduced a great amount. Wow. Do you see that? See how thick that is? So this is the eggplant with the palm nut. It has come together just as thick as I like it. I'm going to add my meat in there. Some people cook their meat along with the palm nut itself, but I keep it separate only because I want to make sure the palm nut is just as thick as I like it before I add my ingredients such as my chicken and my other stuff. Now that I've added the meat, I give this about 10 minutes and dinner is served. This is one of Liberians' favorite dish. Alright guys, so I let this cool off for a while. Ooh, careful. And now I'm gonna take out the excess oil. I usually do that and reuse it for other stuff, like eat it with yams or eat this with some plantain. There's so many things to do with it. How much oil that is. Let this cool off and then freeze it up in a jar. But this is palm butter soup, as we the Liberians call it, but is widely known as palm nut soup. I have this with white rice. You want to eat it with white rice or fufu and palm nut soup. This is some people's favorite dish, also one of mine, and this is one of the reasons I like cooking palm nut soup, because it's very versatile. You can eat this with rice or fufu and it just kind of like lasts longer too. So the process is long, but this is the result. Let's eat, guys.